Okay, sorry about Midnight barking in the background. She knows Koa's eating her breakfast right now, so. But this is what Koa's having. This is what was offered to her. She and Midnight are both eating off of this right now. It was a whole chicken. And this is the piece she grabbed off the plate to eat. Koa is super easy to raw feed because she pretty much knows what she needs and she'll only eat what she needs. I could put a half a pound of liver, a half a pound of, some kidney, put some fish, I could put everything out here and she would only eat what she needs, which is pretty cool. Makes her very easy to feed, for sure. But she was weaned too raw. I don't know if that's because she was weaned too raw or what, but yeah, now a lot of cats won't eat the chicken leg bones, but Koa does. She always has ever since she was big enough to crunch them. She'll eat the chicken leg and chicken thigh bones. But some cats just won't eat those. That's kind of their limit. That's where you reach the too big for cats bones. Hi, baby girl. Hi, babe. Seeing if I could catch her crunching if she's going to eat some bone today or not. Sorry, their toys are in the background. Got a little stack of toys. Koa's little table to look out the window she likes. It's an uncomfortable position. Okay. You gonna get a different one?